Good morning and welcome to the Q&A session 26 from the playlist of Laws of Motion. The topic is the recoil velocity of a gun, and based on this topic I have one question for this session which is written here on this board. This question has been taken from NCERT exemplar, and the question is: a 100 kg gun fires a ball of 1 kg horizontally from a cliff of height 500 meters. It falls on the ground at a distance of 400 meters from the bottom of the cliff. So the recoil velocity of the gun is. So there are four options here and we have to find the correct one. Now in order to save the time, I have already drawn here one figure in which OA is the height of the cliff and B is the point at which the ball falls on the ground, which is at a distance of 400 meters from the bottom of the cliff. And let us consider that the this 100 kg gun fires the ball with a velocity u in the horizontal direction. So if the ball is fired horizontally, then its vertical component will be equal to 0. That is, the vertical component of its velocity will be equal to 0. So in this case, what I will do is I will be using one of the equation of motion, that is equation of motion for constant acceleration, that is s is equal to ut plus half gt square. So the initial vertical component of velocity of this ball at the time of firing will be equal to 0. Here s is the distance covered by this ball in the vertical direction. So this is equal to 500 meter, and u into t will be equal to 0 plus 1 by 2. Now g is to be taken as 10 meter per second square, and t square into t square. So t is the time taken by the ball to reach this point B. So from here, t square will be equal to 1000 in divided by 10, that is equal to 100. So it implies that t is equal to 10 seconds. So at t is equal to 10 seconds, the ball will hit the ground at the point B, which is at a distance of 400 meters from the bottom of the cliff. Now when the ball is fired from this point A, that is the top of the cliff, horizontally, then its motion will be a projectile motion till the time it hits the ground at the point B. So this AB will be a projectile motion. Now during this projectile motion, the horizontal component of velocity of this ball will remain the same. It is only the vertical component which will keep on changing. So the ball reaches this point B at t is equal to 10 seconds. OB is equal to 400. So 400 is equal to the horizontal component of velocity of this ball, which is equal to u, into the time taken to reach this point B, which is equal to 10 seconds. So u is equal to 40 meter per second. Okay. Now we have to find the recoil velocity of the gun. So in order to find the recoil velocity of the gun, we will use the law of conservation of linear momentum. Law of conservation of linear momentum. So as per the law of conservation of linear momentum, when I am firing the this ball from this 100 kg gun with a velocity u, then the gun will recoil in the backward direction. So let us consider the recoil velocity as v. So by the law of conservation of linear momentum, the mass of the gun is given as 100 kg. So 100 into v will be equal to the momentum gained by this ball that is equal to mass, which is equal to 1 into 40 meter per second, because the value of u has been calculated as 40 meter per second. That is, this is the velocity when with which this ball was fired with the help of this gun in the horizontal direction. So from here we can see that v is equal to 40 by 100, or this is equal to 0.4 meter per second. So here the correct option will be the second option, that is B, 0.4 meter per second. So here the most important thing was that first of all you have to find the horizontal component of velocity of this ball by using one of the equation of motion for constant acceleration. So here I have used the equation of motion, which is s is equal to ut plus half gt square, and thereafter you have to use the law of conservation of linear momentum. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same chapter, that is laws of motion. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.